Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Wells Fargo account. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. First thing you need to do is open a browser on your phone or any devices you're using. Then enter the URL wellsfargo.com. Once you get in this website, click on the sign on button at the top right. And you'll be forwarded to this page, and here you'll need to enter some of the informations that you use to log into your Wells Fargo account. So enter your username and password. Once you enter your username and password, click on sign on to log into your Wells Fargo account. Or if you do not have an account, click on enroll to create one. And also, if you have forgotten your password or username, click on forgot password or username. Once you fill all your information, click on sign in button to log into your Wells Fargo account. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Wells Fargo account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.